World Champion si AP Bren. Kasali ba sila sa magko-compete dito?
Hindi, kasi this one is strictly for amateurs. Anyone that has a professional license cannot join para pantay-pantay yung field natin.
Also, we would like to, gusto lang rin namin itiin na no MPL or MDL experience. Parang yun yung PBA kasi namin eh. Pag nakasali ka na sa MDL or MPL, kahit isang season, kahit nung unang-una pa, bawal ka na sumali.
You're already considered a pro. So we're really strict on the qualifications. Number one, because this is considered an amateur tournament. Number two, kung may professional experience ka na, it hinders you to join just because you are considered already a professional. You cannot go back to an amateur. Number three, the goal is to find new talents. And we wanted it to be really fair on the playing field. So yung mga new and upcoming athletes yung gusto nating ma-promote dito.
Nabanggit nyo kanina yung total cash pot, ano? Pero nakaset na rin ba kung magkano yung first prize sa paglalabanan?
Yes. Currently, 2 million yung is a champion.
Okay. Going back to the mechanics or the competition format, yung 128, lahat ba sila? Do they have to play each other or parang may play, may group, then advance to the, and then kumbaga top 8, parang quarterfinals na yun, and then top 2. Paano yung format natin?
If umabot ng 128, usually pag mga big bracket na mga esports tournaments, usually single round robin lang.
Yes.
Na once you're out, once matalo ka na, wala ng losers bracket. Kasi usually
Ganun. So, kumbaga may draw.
Yes.
So how do you determine the seeding kung may draw?
Usually for amateur, yung seeding random lang siya. Because usually, pag amateur, mahirap siya ma-scout na, pag pinagpatapat ba natin to, magiging unfair na yung side ng bracket na to kumpara sa kabila. So, to be fair rin sa mga amateur, random lang rin talaga yung seeding. Since most of them, mahirap rin mag-gauge kasi walang scouting details about sa teams natin.
So, knockout.
Knockout po.
In other words, kung 100, assuming na, yung scenario, 128 divided by 64 play 64 for each team. So mga ilang din. So yung wala nun akyat sa
Yes,
sa quarterfinals.
Wala lang po yung matitira for the on-site taping po.
On the site.
Yes.
So yun lang, at least yung alam natin na hindi ganun kadali yung dadaanan nila. Salamat po. God bless you.
Good morning, Sir Marlon and Victor. My question is, paano natin mamomonitor yung mga players? Kasi baka mamaya yung players from NCR, i-import nila dun sa Mindanao. Paano natin mamomonitor yung gano'n?
For that po, our league operations has set 2 rules po. For registration, kailangan nyo mag-submit ng ID na may valid ID na may address. So, parang yun na yung magiging proof of residency mo. And secondly, nakalagay sa mga promotional materials namin na required yung mga player maglaro na magkakasama. Kasi through our online platform called Discord, nababantayan namin yung mga player pag nag-on sila ng camera. Usually naman ganun ang setup sa esports na magkakasama sila sa isang lugar, naka-on yung camera, para throughout yung phase ng game, nababantayan mo kung sila ba talaga may hawak ng cellphone, kung sila ba talaga yung naglalaro or pinapasa pa nila sa iba. That's our ways to detect ghosting rin kasi and smurfing in terms of esports tournaments natin.
Yung ex-pros, halimbawa, nakakuha na siya ng license, tapos hindi na siya nakapaglaro na nag-expire yung license niya, pwede ba siya maglaro dito?
Based dun sa format namin, hindi. Kasi once you're a pro, we consider it you're a pro na. So we want to level the playing field na yun lang sa amateurs lang. So very strict kami dyan. That's why there's also important na nakikita kung sino yung naglalaro. And then to add to that measure, meron din kaming internal tournament server na gagawin para sa Mobile Legends na hindi ma-access ng public. So, ang makaka-access lang is yung Unity League participants to be very secure na walang pandaraya magaganap or walang hatak na mangyayari sa mga pros natin.
Sir Marlon, madalas na hirap kaming kumuha ng mga resulta, no, sa mga local leagues natin. And this time, siyempre yung eliminations nyo, yung regionals nyo, meron kayong may 8 mananalo kagad, mag-a-advance. I-broadcast nyo ba yung laban ng mga to, or pipili lang kayo, and then may post ba natin sa social media, yung sa website ninyo, yung mga mananalo?
So definitely, magkakaroon naman ng mga live updates dun sa Facebook fan page, yes. And of course, we can give you access if you would want para magkaroon kayo ng first-hand information. But most of the time kasi, since this is going to be televised sa TV, some of the updates and results will be a bit delayed because may taping na mangyayari. So, i-ano lang natin siya, i-push out natin in such a way that si PTV yung magiging hub natin for information for this.
Hindi, ganito, importante, sabi niyo nga po, that's why you're strict to, you're strict about the registration, the background checking, residency. You want to protect the integrity of the game kasi nga lahat ng all amateurs. Kasi even sa di ba, I don't know, I mean, I haven't really seen except for face-to-face yung setup na, for example, kasi online, baka mamaya meron silang mga earphones o earbuds, etc. Coaching from the outside. How do you prevent those kinds of have to curb, if not totally eliminate those kinds of quote-unquote cheating para hindi naman ma-protecta natin integrity of all the games from start to finish?
Actually, better nga po na wala kaming live stream na i-provide habang nangyayari yung mga games. Because una sinabi na Sir Marlon, we're going to have dedicated tournament servers from Munton mismo. So ang mga makakapasok lang doon is yung mga mismong mga players at saka yung mga mismong coach. Then hindi siya accessible to public, so walang basta-basta makakapasok. So ang sa amin naman, kahit naglalaro ka, may bumubulong sa likod mo, wala siyang matutulong kasi hindi niya rin nakikita yung pwesto ng kalaban, hindi niya nakikita yung rotation ng kalaban. So I think with this dedicated tournament servers from Munton, a lot of the issues na yung may mga randomly na makikigulo tsaka magagamit for cheating, hindi siya mangyayari because of the dedicated tournament servers.
Parang na lang, mahak. Biro lang ako. Huwag na sana.
And to add naman, dun sa top 8, we're going to be very strict. Even though may taping na siya, we will follow international standards. When you say international standards, pare-pareho na yung phones nyo. Meron kayong comm system. So, tapos meron kayong referee sa likod. So, to show professionalism, kasi we're also giving you a chance to experience how it is to play the international level, right? And to top it off, kasi 2 million is really big para sa isang amateur team.
Correct.
So, people are actually now looking ways on how to, get the best amateur players. Nagkakaroon na ng ganyang kwento. So, tournament integrity is really important, and our team naman is prepared na to make sure na walang sabi.
Para maprotektahan talaga yung, especially this is your inaugural league,
Yes.
inaugural competition. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.